In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your design in Canva effectively. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to create versatile digital projects that fit a range of different formats and dimensions, which is particularly useful if you're designing for social media, presentations, or printed materials. Let's begin at the starting point of your journey, navigating to your Canva project. If you've already opened Canva, you'll see a dashboard featuring your current projects. If the project you want to resize isn't immediately visible, you can use the search bar or browse through your folders to find the specific design. Once you've located it, click to open your project and we're ready to move on to the resizing process. Next, focus your attention on the menu bar located at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Resize. When you click this button, you'll be presented with the option to select Custom Resize. This is a critical step as it gives you full control over the dimensions of your design, allowing you to tailor it to meet your specific needs. Whether you're resizing for a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, selecting Custom Resize opens up a field where you can input the exact dimensions you desire. Now, let's discuss the units of measurement. In the Resize menu, you'll notice options for units such as pixels, px, inches, inc, centimeters, samis, and millimeters, IMM. Choose the unit that best aligns with your project requirements. Pixels are commonly used for digital designs, while inches or centimeters might be better suited for printed materials. Make sure to carefully enter the desired width and height into the respective fields. Once you're satisfied with your measurements, you have the option to either copy and resize if you wish to retain your original design and create a modified version, or simply resize to change the current project. Upon making your choice, the changes are applied, and you'll see the adjustments reflected immediately on your design canvas. This efficient feature in Canva not only saves time, but ensures that your designs are consistently aligned with your objectives, whether personal or professional. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully resized your Canva project, tailoring it perfectly to your specifications. This straightforward process not only enhances your design flexibility, but also ensures your artwork is polished and professional, fitting all intended platforms seamlessly. Remember, the key to mastering Canva is practice and experimentation. So feel free to play around with these features and don't hesitate to try out different sizes and settings to find what works best for you. Until next time, happy designing!